Thank you very much.
Abu Sufyan Elvis. Your fights.
Yes, sir.
Your reaction to the judgment, sir?
Will you be appealing the judgment?
First and foremost, it is very, very unfortunate that this type of judgment can come up. The Supreme Court has ruled and said there is no provision against the defection of the president, vice president, governor, or deputy governor. So, is the court making a judgment different from that of the Supreme Court? It is obvious. All the issues we raised were carpeted, and that of the plaintiff hyperbole, given this type of judgment. Of course, it goes to no issue. We're certainly going to appeal. I want to also talk to you about the issue of the House. 1091 subparagraph G. It said, and that is the provision of the Constitution, that the House, defection is handled in the House. You table it before the Speaker. So, there is no evidence that this matter of defection of the House members were ever tabled before the House of Assembly. That is the provision of the Constitution. No court can go against the provision of the Constitution. The Constitution said you table the House, the defection before the Speaker, and when the Speaker evaluates it, he brings it to the House, and where it is proved, then the person will be denied of his membership. Is that the case here? We made it copiously that there was no evidence that this matter was tabled before the House. The court thinking of taking a judicial notice of who is the Speaker was not a matter before the court. So the court cannot, without us addressing it, raise the issue of judicial notice of who is the Speaker. That was not the case of the plaintiff. So I think the pedestal is the Constitution. The Constitution didn't make any provision for defection of a governor. And so, trying to read anything outside the Constitution doesn't help the matter. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Please, you do us a favor. There are other people downstairs that would like to speak to you, individuals in their impressions.
We'll come downstairs.
So, yeah, but you speak to me, yeah, and
We need to speak to the plaintiffs.
Okay.
Are you set?
Are you set? Are you set?
Yes.
Is your reaction to the judgment?
Well, this is a very epochal judgment. It has settled an issue that has been thorny in Nigeria's constitutional law over the years. So many people believe that when a governor defects, that there is no constitutional effect. But this judgment has been able to show that, in fact, it has the same consequences as a member of the House of Assembly defecting, especially in view of the judgment which was relied on, that is the judgment of the Supreme Court in Wada and Bello, Faleke, and INEC. We show that votes belong to political party and not to the candidates. Now, with that, nobody who defects to a minority party can expect to remain in office. I think this judgment has gone far to settle it. Thank you very much.
The other parties are very positive that they are going to appeal this judgment. So what's your reaction to that?
Well, the Court of Appeal is there. The Supreme Court is there. We are also available. If we are briefed, we will attend. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
At all. It's not known by any constitutional provision.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.